In this video, we will be talking about browser automation, but before this, make sure that this extension is already installed. Now, in the main sequence, we will use the use application browser action and indicate the screen. After capturing this, the browser URL is already present. Now we will be searching for shirt over here and we will try to capture the data into a data table. So now we will drag the set text. Now we will just put it into the do block. Let us try to capture this search box. As you can see, we have got the locator. Now click on confirm. And in the text, we will be writing shirt in quotes. Now we need to click on enter, so I am using a keystroke. First, you will have to indicate on the screen where you want to simulate the keystroke. Now in the send key, I am using a manual shortcut. Search for enter, here it is, add. Now let us first try to run this part. So it has opened, searched and done. Let us go ahead. Now we will try to capture all these elements. Before we actually go ahead, this is something you should know. Sometimes we write Control and A like this, but this is the wrong format and instead it should be Control plus A in a single box. So this is a common mistake that people do while simulating keystrokes. So this is how it should look. So this was just for a general purpose information. Let us go ahead with our flow. So now I will try to extract the data table from the web browser. For this, I am using the extract table data action. Indicate the table on the screen. So now we need to add the columns that we would be requiring. So this is the name of the shirt or the item. So we can extract the text or URL. So this is the column number 1. Let me name it as item. Confirm. Now we want the price as well. But as you can see, it is not highlighting all the prices. So what I'll do is, I will try to capture each one separately so that it automatically detects the locator. Click on confirm. Name it as price. Let me show you the preview and see item and price. So it is highlighting all the prices and name. Click on close. Save and close. Let us just extract this to a data table. create a data table variable. I am naming it as my data table. First, let me show you the variable type. Click on the action because it was out of scope. See, so my data table and the variable type is data table. I've already created a string data table because to print it I will have to convert it to a string. Use the output data table activity. Select the data table and in the output text we will include the string data table variable type. So I'm using an already created variable, and in the message box I will just try to print this. String data table. Let us now run this bot. So it is opening the browser, searching for shirt, capturing the data, and in the message box we have the data, item and price. Now let us try to save this to an Excel. For this, the right range workbook. So it will create a new workbook for us, data.xlsx. Name the sheet. First cell and the data table over here. Let us run this again. Click on OK. Okay, so execution completed and a Excel workbook might have been created now. See, data. Let me open it. And this is how it looks. So we could have also included the header, but that is all for now. Thank you.